Now we're going to go ahead and add shapes and format those. So we want to go ahead and have slide 1 selected if it's not already selected. We want to go ahead and click shapes, go to basic shapes, and we want to pick the sun. Go ahead and try to make this 0.7 by 0.7 and get it as close as you can, because we're going to actually drag this over in front of this O right here. So once you get 0.7 by 0.7, and you can always come over here to the Format tab to 0.7, 0.7 if you're having issues. Drag it over here in front of the O, okay, and you can use your arrow keys if you need to adjust it slightly. Next, we want to go ahead and format this. So let's go ahead and right click on it. We're going to go to Format Shape. For the fill color, we want to go ahead and pick the orange down here on the standard colors bar. Click OK. And now we're going to go ahead and Command C, or go ahead and right click copy, however you want to do it. We're going to copy it, and then we're going to paste it, Command V, right click paste, and then we're going to put it right over here on this O for meditation. And you can click off of it and make sure that the O's are covered correctly. Now we're going to add another shape, but we're going to do that on slide 4. So go to slide 4, go to shape, and we want to go ahead and insert the oval shape first. And we want to try to make this approximately 1.65 inches in diameter. So you can come over here to width, change that if you're having a hard time. Next, we're going to move it up here underneath this archy kind of girl. And we're going to go ahead and come over here to Shape Styles. We're going to apply a style. Click More. And we want to go ahead and pick this bottom one here in the yellow row. We want to go ahead and change the color of this though. We want to go to Format Shape. And we want to change the fill color to background to darker 25%. And we want to go ahead and hit OK. And then we want to type in the words mind. And we want to make those papyrus. We want to change the font color to text 2. And we want to go ahead and increase it to 24. Alright, now what we're going to do is you're going to click on that, Command C or copy, and we want to paste it twice. We're going to move them down here, and you don't have to get them perfect because we're going to add another shape in just a minute, and so you may have to adjust these. But over here on the left hand side, we want to type in body, and on the right side, spirit. Try to make it a little even. Alright, the next shape we want to go ahead and add is the isosceles triangle. So go up to Shapes and then pick isosceles triangle. We want to go ahead and format that shape size, and we want that one to be 1.84 in width. And in height, we want it to go ahead and be 1.63. So once you have sized that one, then we need to go ahead and format that shape. And so how we're going to do that is we're going to go do the same exact thing that we did. We're going to come over here to Shape Styles. And in this one, we actually want to go ahead and pick the third style in the last row. We want to change the color, the fill color. So we can come here and we want to change it to accent 6, darker 25. Oops. Accent 6, darker 25. And then we're actually just going to move this right here in the middle of these. So align it in the middle of mind where you want that. And then, like I said, you may have to kind of bring these over just a little bit. You want to kind of get them looking this even there. Right? We want this to come up in the front. If this isn't in the front, then we would right click. You're going to go to reorder objects. And you could do it that way and put it in the one position, or you could right click, arrange, and we want to bring it to the front. So either one of those ways, whatever way you like best, will work for you. Go ahead and file, save it again, and save it into your stuff.